Who is at fault in a rear-end collision in Massachusetts? Hi, I'm attorney John Sheehan. Since 1993, I've represented thousands of injured workers and car accident victims throughout Massachusetts. I fight to ensure that each client receives all the compensation and medical treatment that they're entitled to without getting taken advantage of by an insurance company. Well, in most cases, the driver who rear-ended the other car is considered to be at fault or considered to be negligent. If the at-fault driver was working at the time of the accident or driving a company car or truck, well, the driver's employer may be liable for the accident. In most cases, a commercial auto policy usually has higher coverage limits for bodily injury claims, which is the insurance industry's term for a personal injury claim. Some of the common causes of a rear-end collision in Massachusetts include speeding, tailgating, improper lane changes, distracted driving, or impaired or drunk driving. If you've been injured in a car accident in Massachusetts recently and the car accident was caused by another driver's fault, you should contact an experienced Boston car accident lawyer. If you'd like to speak with me about your case, it's easy. You can call me directly at the office. Our number appears below this video. Or you can send me an email. Our email address appears in the description below this video. Or you can always visit my website where you'll find contact forms that you can fill out and submit to us. And I'd be happy to reach back, give you a call, talk to you about the car accident, about your injuries, talk to you about what's going on with your treatment, what treatment you've received, what additional treatment your doctors might be recommending, and what evidence is there to show that the car accident was the fault of the other driver, and we'll see what available coverages there are to make sure that we get you all the compensation available to you. If you found the information in this video informative and helpful, please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell icon below so that you receive notifications of my future videos, and share this video with your friends and family.